Welcome back, guys. So today I am going to show you how to basically make a hustle. You're gonna hustle how to get plants. So I constantly am watching Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist or just people throwing stuff away, and I just constantly watch those websites because people are just wanting to get rid of their plants. Like, they're over it, they're cleaning out their beds. So this is some of the stuff that I've gotten from there, Facebook Marketplace, and where I go to dump trash for my job. They throw out plants by the buckets, literally. I got this boxwood for free, like, and it was actually still in a pot. They just didn't want it anymore. Or I got, what was it? I got 13 Nandinas. Now, if you went to the store to buy these, they're like $35 for 3 gallons. I got them for free. Now, are they all gonna live? Probably not, and that's fine. I still got them for free. I'm not gonna be out any money. I also got, let's see, roses. I've got, let's see, different types of hydrangeas. I even got azaleas. So you just have to be willing to work for it. And, you know, put an ad out there that says, I want to, if you have any plants that you don't want anymore, I'll come and dig them up. I've done that with pampas grass. They were tired of it. They wanted to get rid of it. So I went and cleaned out like 5 bushels, I think, call it. And I probably got 30 or 40 plants that I was able to like trade with my friends for. So I would give them a clump of pampas grass and they'd give me something else. And so you just kind of have to, like, you kind of use it like as a deck of cards, and you're like, hey, I have this if you have this, and you just kind of have to hustle. Like, you just kind of have to work at it. I did the same thing with my cannas too, and my peonies. So there's so many plants that you can do it with, and you know, these plants multiply so fast that you're able to divide them and give them to other people and vice versa. So anyway, that's just one of the little tips that I have to help save money, work a hustle, and be able to create a wonderful garden for not as much money. Because if you're a true gardener, you know how expensive it is. So anyway, if you want to know any more tips and tricks, let me know, and I would be happy to indulge my secrets, I guess. So anyway, till next time, guys. Thanks. Bye.